I was cleaning on my garden and I just noticed some strange stone and looking for something that I need to vlog today. So I went on my garden to look beautiful stone, strange stone, since I do vlog already and watch some fossils. So I noticed that it was only on ordinary hollow blocks here, accompanied by this stone on my garden. I noticed this kind. I thought it was an ordinary hollow blocks with this stone, but when I look at it, it was an extraordinary stone. It was so beautiful. I thought it was handmade by man-made, but actually I see something inside of it. Look, it looks like a head of dragon. There's something on its mouth. Look at this one. Is it a fossil, my friends? Look, let me see on the light. The stone is very different. It's so smooth, and it looks like handcrafted or sculptured by man, but no, I guess this is an extraordinary stone with fossil inside. Look at it. Wow, there's a beautiful stone inside, wrapped by mouth of a dragon. There's also a one eye only here. Looks like an eye of a dragon. Wow, what is this? This is how it looks. Look at, well, I can't explain it well since I'm just only watching some fossils. That's why I learned something about fossils. So is it so hard also? I cannot dig it well. Look at this inside. It's like an extraordinary. At first I was scared what look it is, but I'm just wondering how come there's something inside of his mouth. Look, help me to explain, and so that I will learn something from my viewers. What is this? Thank you so much, my dear friends. I hope to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Bye.